Good morning, students. Today we will start type 2, that is evaluation of double integration if limits are not given. Now, if limits are not given, then we will be given some area over which we need to find the double integration. Okay, so let us consider the first problem. Evaluate double integration y dx dy over the area bounded by y is equal to x square and x plus y equal to 2 in the first quadrant. Now we first motto is to draw these two curves. Okay, so what is the first curve? Y is equal to x square. Okay, now we all know that this is parabola, but while drawing we just get confused. Okay, so what is the trick here? What is the first degree term? Y, and since it is positive, so we need to draw the parabola which is opening towards positive y-axis. Parabola opening towards positive y-axis. Okay, that means it will look like this. Okay, now what is the second? X plus y equal to 2. This is the straight line. Now to draw this straight line we need to find 2 points. Okay, so at x equal to 0, if we substitute x equal to 0 here, what we will get? Y is equal to 2. Okay, and so what is the first point? 0, 2. And at y equal to 0, what do we get? X is equal to 2. So what is the second point? 2, 0. Plot these 2 points. 0, 2. 0, 2 is the point lying over here. Because x coordinate is 0, that means it will be the point on y-axis. And 2, 0, that means it will be the point on x-axis. Okay, now draw this line. You get this point of intersection, let this point be P. Now, so this is the parabola y is equal to x square, and this is the line y is equal to, or we can say x plus y equal to 2. Okay, now what do we need to do? We need to draw a vertical strip. Okay, now first of all, what is mentioned in the problem? We need to consider the area only in the first quadrant. Means what is our area? This shaded area is the area which we need to consider for the double integration. Okay, that means now draw the vertical strip. Okay, so what is the lower point of this vertical strip? Lower point of vertical strip lies on parabola. That means lower limit here is y is equal to x square. And what is the upper point? Upper point of this vertical strip lies on this straight line, that is x plus y equal to 2, that is y is equal to 2 minus x. So limits of y are sorted. What are the limits of y? X square to 2 minus x. Now for the limits of x, this vertical strip will move from here. It will start from this y-axis. Starting point is y-axis, that means lower limit of x is 0, and it will start from this and it will move up to this point P. That means for the upper limit of x, we need to find this point of intersection P. Okay, so for point of intersection P, for point of intersection P, P lies on parabola as well as straight line. So it will satisfy the equation of both the curves, that is for P, y is equal to x square and y is equal to 2 minus x also. So comparing this value, you will have x square equal to 2 minus x, that is x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. Factorize it, this is quadratic equation. So this is x plus 2, x minus 1 equal to 1, that is x equal to minus 2 and x equal to 1. Okay, now see, we have got 2 points, but here you can see if you extend this, this line and parabola intersects in these 2 points. Okay, so this -2 belongs over here and this 1 is here. So what is the x coordinate of point P? 1. Now for x equal to 1, substitute it in any of these equation. For x equal to 1, y is equal to 2 minus 1, that is 1. So what is the y coordinate? So point P is 1, 1. Okay. Now therefore, what are the limits of x? Yes, x is equal to starts from y-axis, that is x equal to 0 to it goes up to this point. For this, x is equal to 1. And what are the limits of y? Yes, y is equal to x square, lower limit, to y is equal to 2 minus x.